Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this lecture, what I'm going to be going over is how to not only enter SAS, but also to utilize the Framingham heart study from the data sets that are available in SAS. So let's go ahead and get started. I want it to start from the launch button within SAS Studio. So sometimes it takes a while to get to the next screen. So available here is the Framingham heart study. What I'm going to do though is go to the left-hand side and figure out where this data set resides. So you have some of these folders that are available, and let me go ahead and close these folders so that you can see where this is available. So you have tasks and utilities, snippets, and then libraries. So click on libraries, the arrow to the left, and then go ahead under My Libraries, select SAS Help. So you went from Libraries to My Libraries to SAS Help. So click on the SAS Help arrow. Once you do so, then about halfway down you'll see where this data set resides. So we're looking for the term heart. And as you can see, about midway down, this is all alphabetical order, you see heart. So let's click on heart. And that opens a table, and then as you can see to the right, you have all of these variables and all of this data. Let's take a look at the variables under columns. So the variables are mortality status, death cause, age, congestive heart disease diagnosis, sex, age at start, height, weight, diastolic, blood pressure, systolic blood pressure, metabolic relative weight, and this is actually calculation that is done in comparison to others. So if you have over 100, so if you have 150 as MRW, then that means that this is 50% higher than the average weight. So then you have smoking, age at death, and then cholesterol status, blood pressure status, weight status, smoking status. And then on the right hand side, what you'll be able to see is what the entries are for each of the variables. And as you can see, the death cause, other, cancer, other, cerebrovascular disease. Let me unclick on this. So cerebrovascular disease is actually available as a death cause, which makes sense. And then you have cancer, more now coronary heart disease rather than cerebrovascular disease. Typically, cerebrovascular disease are strokes. So as you can see, we're already seeing some patterns and understanding not only about the variables, but also the cases that are available for many of the variables. As you can see, the age, height, weight, diastolic, systolic, MRW, and then smoking, age at death, cholesterol status. So if you're ever wanting to know what are under these variables, you can quickly take a look on the columns right here on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side you could see the cases and variables. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.